Today we're making stovetop candied yams, just like my grandma used to make. I'm using a coated cast iron pot for this. However, you can use a cast iron frying pan for this. As a matter of fact, that's what I normally use, but today I happen to be using it for another dish, so I'll be using the coated one instead. This recipe calls for about 6 to 8 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Of course, you can use yams, but sweet potatoes are easier to find around here, so I just slice them about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick and place them inside the pan. Now you're going to add about 1½ cups of sugar. You can also substitute with Splenda here, or you can use brown sugar if you want them to have a deeper color. It's up to you. Once you've done that, add about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and give it a good toss with your hands. Just stir it around. Add 1/2 cup of water. Make sure all the pieces are coated well. And then you're going to add 1½ sticks of butter. You can scale back on the butter if you want, but I would not recommend scaling back too much or you'll have a different texture. You'll cook these covered on medium heat until they are tender. This should take about 30 minutes, and when they're tender, you'll remove the lid and allow them to cook until most of the liquid has been absorbed. Then turn off the heat and allow them to sit for about 20 minutes before serving. And there you have it. The most delicious candied yams ever, right on top of the stove. Thanks for watching New South Table.